Hey everybody, it's a weekend adventure here. What we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you what comes with the Yoshi RS4 system. So it comes with a spark arrestor. This is an old one. And it comes with this guy. And we're gonna see what it sounds like with the spark arrestor in. We're gonna see what it sounds like with this guy in. And we're gonna listen to it without it. So here we go. I'm gonna put the spark arrestor in. I'm not going to put the screw in or anything like that. Just put it in. Let's go. We're going to turn it on. I'm going to give it a couple revs. I'm going to give it a full throttle rev. The bike's already warmed up, so here we go. So that was a full throttle rev. Now we're going to try this piece in there. Leave a like, comment in the video. Tell me what you think sounds the best on the bike. I know what I like. You guys tell me what you guys like.